Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with 3 wonderful fat burning breakfast smoothies that will burn that belly fat like crazy. Now, excess body fat is the reason for many health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, fatty liver, hypertension, and an increased risk of having cancer. Now, high fiber foods are the ideal choice for people who are having problems also with constipation. Now, this is a wonderful, great way to start your day because this food will help you to feel full longer and your need for food will slowly disappear. So it's going to help you with those cravings. Now, one thing you got to realize is when you eat protein-rich foods, it is going to also help you to lose that belly fat. It is going to provide you with enough energy for your all-day activities. This food is also great for you to use if you want to maintain muscle mass. You can use it as a pre and post smoothie for energy. So here are 3 wonderful breakfast smoothies for you to try and blend each day. Use them even as meal replacements, as snacks during the day whenever you feel a little hungry but you don't want to eat anything really full to feel bloated. You can have one of these in the midst and still be on your weight loss journey and still slim down and get rid of that fat belly bulge. Alright, so enjoy the video. Here are the 3 that's going to burn that belly fat like crazy. Alright, stay tuned for the video.
When everything is wrong, don't worry, babe. Don't worry, babe. Just raise your head and smile to them. And smile to them. Don't think about it. And smile to them. Smile to them. Smile to them. Oh, today's the day. And smile to them. Smile to them. Smile to them. Here's a day. Day, 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 day. Here's a day.
Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.